We women are constantly juggling our different roles. We are professionals, we may be mothers, wives, we are daughters, daughters-in-law. So we are constantly being pulled in different directions. But one thing that we have to keep in mind is be kind to yourself. We are constantly facing challenges, but what really helps is take out a little bit of time for yourself every day and use that time to maybe relax, listen to music, read a book, maybe meditate, yoga, but something which is directed towards self-care and self-love.
So keep updating with your knowledge, develop your skills, build up your strength, and look forward towards life. God has made the women the most strongest person in the world. So believe in yourself, select the subject, win the world with your skills, with your sincerity, with your confidence level.
Professional and personal commitments, both are equally important. So how do I prioritize? I prioritize according to the priority of the current situation. If professional requirements are more important, then I focus my attention on the professional requirement. And if family requires me more, I shift my attention towards family. So I try to maintain the balance between both professional and personal life.
My Guru Mantra for the upcoming female specialists: we are born to excel. We are the supreme gender. There is no doubt about it. And we are born to multitask. So study hard, work sincerely, and you will surely ace it.